Howdy, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make the soluble or the instant coffee. So let's see how we will make it. First we will need cold milk and 2 small spoons of sugar, 2 small spoons of Nescafe. Now let's see how we will make. First of all, I will add the sugar and the Nescafe in hand blender bowl. You can use the normal mixer, no problem, but I will use the hand blender because it will be easy, it will not take too much time. Okay, then before I will add 2 small spoons of boiling water. Then I will stir them for a little bit. And now I will start mixing them with the hand blender. In the mixing we will get this color and will be continued in mixing. I will mix it and I will come again. Now I will start adding the cold milk in the cup. We will not fill all the cup, only half or little of the cup, not all. Then I will add the ice. Here we'll start adding the Nescafe mixture on the milk. You can drop some of the mixture and stir with the milk, then drop again. Here we finish. I hope you liked the video and I hope also you to try it because it's really tasty. You can make it in the morning. It will give you energy to complete your day because it's cold and tasty also. So I hope you try it and don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.